Hello, everyone. My name is Jack Calderini. I'm the Senior Director of Digital Integrations here at Carnegie. I'm here today to talk through our nurse service, conversion rate optimization. To start, conversion rate optimization, also known as CRO, is the process of using data to understand visitors' activity and intent on your website, identifying areas of drop-off and friction, and deploying experiments to find ways to improve the website and user experience. CRO has four main components: gathering data, developing hypotheses, deploying experiments, and analyzing the results. Before we can gather the data, we like to make sure we know the data is correct. We do this by performing an audit of your GA4 property, setting up event tracking for key marketing activities, and deploying tracking through Microsoft Clarity, which is another analytics tracking tool. We also collaborate with you to better understand what are the high impact pages, any pain points you currently have, and any suggestions for improvement you have right off the bat. The goal here is to blend quantitative and qualitative data on website behavior. We would use data from GA4 to help better understand how people are using the website and navigating around, as well as looking at the engagement on some of those key marketing pages. Microsoft Clarity allows us to see some interesting data, such as click heat maps to see which elements are being the most clicked on your website, scroll depth heat maps, which allow us to see how far people are scrolling on your pages, and screen recordings to better understand what users are actually doing. As you can see, all PII is blocked. So we take all that data and we use that to help develop our hypotheses for an experiment. For example, let's say the data showed that we should test moving the phone from the left side of our page to the right side of the page to improve our conversion rates. Now that we have our hypothesis, we actually create and deploy our experiment through OmniConvert, our CRO vendor tool. We run the experiment for however long we need to in order to reach a large enough sample size and statistical significance. Then we analyze the results. Let's say our variant had a higher conversion rate. Great, our experiment was successful. Now we want to make sure the winning variant is deployed on your website. So we would work with you to figure out the best way to do that. And then we're off to explore our next experiment. CRO is an ongoing process of continuous testing and learning. Thank you all for your time today. I hope to hear from you soon about conversion rate optimization.